Hello students, I am Omkar Deshpande, lecturer, Department of Commerce, KLS Gokte PU College of Commerce and Science, Belgavi. Welcome you back for the business study classes. In today's class, we are going to cover the causes of business risk. Before we go with the in detail, let's understand what is business risk. Business risk can be defined as uncertainty or unexpected events which are beyond control. In simple words, we can say business risk means a chance of incurring losses or less profit than accepted. These factors cannot be controlled by businessmen, and these can result in a declining in profit or can also lead to the losses. Let's understand in detail what are those causes of business risk. The first one is natural cause. When you see the natural cause, human beings have little control over natural calamities like floods, earthquake, lightning, heavy rains, famines, etc. These result in heavy losses of life property and income in business. Okay, in simple, natural causes are such type of uncertainty factors that have been cannot be make any preparation against. In simple, nature is an independent phenomena and human beings have no control over it. Natural calamities like earthquake, floods, drought, etc. affects a business a lot and can result in the heavy losses. This is what about natural cause. Let's understand the second one, that is human cause. What is now human cause? Human cause includes such unexpected events like dishonesty, carelessness or negligence of employees, stoppage of work due to power failure, strikes, routes, management inefficiency, etc. So when it comes to the human causes, they are related to chance of loss due to human being or employees of the organization. The dishonesty of employees can bring heavy losses for business. For example, the employee may leak a business secrets to a competitors and may commit fraud, also brings the heavy losses by wastage of resources. If you see, the employees may hamper the production by going on strike. The employees may go to the strike or they roti take place, etc. So this can also lead to heavy loss of business condition. There can be price fluctuation in the market. There can be there can be change in the fashion, taste, preference and demand of the customers. So these all are the things which will affect, which will happen with the help of human beings. So that is what this is for, particularly it happens due to business human causes. This is the second cause of business risk. Okay, now let's understand the third one, economical causes. Now what is this economical causes? Economical causes are related to change or a chance of loss due to change in the market. There can be change in degree of competition. All these have direct impact on the earnings of the business. So these include uncertainties relating to demand for goods, competition, price collection of dues from customers, change of technology or methods of production, etc. So the financial problems like rise in interest rate from for borrowings, leave of higher taxes, etc. also comes under these type of causes, as this result in higher unexpected cost of operation of business. Even change in the government policy affects the business a lot. For example, if you see in 1991, when Janata government came to the power, the Coca-Cola company and many other foreign companies were sent back to India. So like that, what happened when it comes to there's a change in the change in the government policies also, which will be directly impacted on the business. So this is what about the economical causes. Let's understand the fourth one, that is other causes. Now, when it comes to other causes, there are unforeseen events like political disturbance, mechanical failure, such as blasting of boilers, fluctuation in exchange rates, etc., which will lead to the possibility of business risk, price collection. So like that, what happens when it comes to other causes, apart from natural, apart from human, apart from economical, what all other things which may lead to a business loss, those all covered in the other causes. Now if you see the political disturbance, change in the political condition will also get impacted on the businesses, and mechanical failure, change in the machine, or if any machine failure take place, that will also directly impact on the businesses. But even blasting of the boilers, if any these kind of a incident taken place, even that will cause the effect on the business. So even fluctuation in the exchange rate, even in the foreign exchange rate, even the exchange rate in currencies also, which get impacted on the business. So these all will lead to the business risk. So these are all called as the other causes. Okay, thank you.